Hello everyone, this is Widgetsmith-Add from Gossipfunda. Let us look at Widgetsmith, adding personalized widgets to your iPhone. Step 1 is to update to any iOS version above 14. For this, you need to go to Settings, scroll down to General and then select Software Update. After that, just update your phone to the most recent software available. Currently, iOS 16.2 is available. For this, you need to click on Download and Install. Then it asks you for your password, after which you have to simply agree the terms and conditions and install the software. Step 2, we have to download Widgetsmith app. For this, you need to go to Apple Store and then search for Widgetsmith app. Then you simply click on Get and install the application. After installing the application, you just need to open it. Let us look at step 3, which is to remove all the unimportant apps from the home screen. For this, you simply have to hold on to the application that you want to remove and then click on Remove App and select Remove it from home screen. Step 4 is to figure the placement of apps. For this, you need to hold on the application and then just simply drag the application to whichever page you want it to be on the home screen. So the final step that we have is open Widgetsmith and add the widgets. For this, you need to open the application that you had downloaded in the first step. After that, there are many options such as small widgets, medium-sized widgets, large widgets. So you can select any one of it and then add anything that you want to be seen, be it a picture or time or the calendar or temperature, anything. And there are also themes available according to which you can design your entire page. After selecting on the small widget, I went on to the longer or medium sized widgets where I had selected the battery life, which shows the current battery status of the phone. Now there are different applications below given such as tools, then what's new, which tells us the new features available in the task, help section and settings. The way we had used to set the widgets for the home screen, similarly you can use this application to also set widgets for the lock screen of the phone. The application also provides us with a step-by-step manual and a video lecture which shows how to actually use Widgetsmith and add widgets. Now to see the widgets on the home screen or the lock screen, you simply have to long press on the screen and then click on the plus sign which is given at the top right column, and then you just simply add the medium sized widget or the small size widget, whichever you want to be there. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.